Hi, Matt Ostrowski here again from Creative Enclosures, talking about our Anderson products. This is a kind of a unique sliding door. Oftentimes you'll find in most homes a 6-foot sliding door, sometimes a 5-foot sliding door. And then in this particular case, when we remodeled this home, this had a 9-foot door in it, which was 3 sections. And it actually felt like it enclosed the space a little bit. When we took that door out, we actually shrunk the opening and put in an 8-foot door. But what it actually did in this project is it opened it up and made it feel way more open and allowed more light to come in. And we have this big, large opening for maximum ventilation. You open it up, you just feel the breeze, and you bring the outdoors indoors. So if you're thinking about changing a door or looking for ideas, we're happy to share that with you. Thanks so much and have a great day.